Today I thought we would play around with our downward facing dog. So to get into downward facing dog, we come into a tabletop, hands under the shoulders, knees under the hips, and then we lift the hips high to the sky. A lot of people don't actually know this, but downward facing dog is actually an inversion pose. Anything where your head is getting lower than the heart is considered inversion. So let's try this one more time. We're going to tuck our toes under and we're going to lift our hips high to the sky. Draw the shoulders down away from the ears, lengthen up through the spine. We're drawing our belly button into spine. Our tailbone is up to the sky, and we're trying to press the heels down. Now, if your heels can't get down flat on the mat, that's okay. We're working our way to it. When I began, my heels were not touching that mat, so just takes a little bit of stretching out those back of the legs there. So we're grounding down through all four corners of the edges of the standing feet. We're squeezing the arms and legs together for balance, and we sit back into the hips. Now we're going to try it one more time. Tuck those toes under, lift those hips high, and press back to your downward facing dog. Drawing the arms up slightly, we're drawing the shoulder blades together. Keep the arms and the torso and the neck and the thighs all in line. Now, as an option, you can actually elevate your hands with a set of blocks. And this just helps bring the floor up a little bit. It can help reduce strain or tightness in the shoulders, the hamstrings. It can help if you have wrist pain, or lowering the angle of the extension, and helps facilitate a flatter, longer spine just by helping you get a better hip elevation. So kind of see how it helps change the shape a little bit, helps you obtain more of that upside down V shape in your downward facing dog. And there we go. That is downward facing dog. Give the wrists a roll. Good job.